Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And I believe what we have here is a 79 Suzuki GS1000E fuel tank with original paint. Not exactly sure of the year for sure, but it's right around there. For those of you that have a tank like this, you know what I'm talking about. It's not perfect. You got a little ding right here where my finger's at. Nice body man, could do wonders with this, or some wax. We're just not detail artists. That's about the only damage I could see on it. If you look at the inside, it ain't bad. I mean, I'm wiping my wipe. There's nothing there. So then on the bottom here, you got the. This is probably the fuel gauge, I'm imagining. The tank does not leak. Does not leak. Also, the fuel valve moves, but it is rough. If you're going to reuse this, you're going to have to spend some time on it, I'm sure. But it does move. Whether it works or not, or leaks, I don't know. But it is what it is. Fuel cap, I'll come up with a key for this. The key will be included in the sale of this. So there you go. Shipping can be kind of expensive because of the size. It's huge. We get around from time to time. So if you're the winning buyer and you want to talk about some kind of low-cost shipping available or meet us somewhere, we race motorcycles, so we get out there a little bit. And also we go to the East Coast once a month to Connecticut. So let me know what you think, and I hope you like our tank. Good luck.